The current forecast calls for a significant winter storm likely to impact much of our state. This storm comes at a time of year when North Carolinians are usually hearing Christmas carols about snow, not actually seeing it. People in our mountains and foothills can expect the most snow, more than a foot in some areas. I've seen some predictions up to 18 inches. That's a lot of snow, even for places that are accustomed to winter storms. My advice is to keep your family safe through the storm. Make sure that you gather your emergency supplies, follow weather forecasts closely, and be prepared to stay put for a few days when the storm rolls in and the roads become slick. Unnecessary travel not only puts you at risk, but it also puts our emergency responders and our law enforcement officers at risk.